Sweet potatoes are a nutritious and delicious addition to any diet. They offer a wide range of health benefits and can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, where we discuss topics related to health, pregnancy, and motherhood. There are many reasons why you should include sweet potatoes in your diet. Here are just a few. Packed with nutrient. Sweet potatoes are packed with essential nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, manganese, and potassium. They are also high in fiber, which can help with digestion and weight management. Anti-inflammatory properties. Sweet potatoes contain compounds called flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. This can be beneficial for those suffering from chronic inflammation or autoimmune diseases. Help in blood sugar control. Sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, meaning they are absorbed slowly in the bloodstream and do not cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This can be helpful for those with diabetes or at risk of developing diabetes. Good for heart health. The high levels of potassium in sweet potatoes can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Helps in cancer prevention. Sweet potatoes contain antioxidants such as beta-carotene, which may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Good for eyes. The vitamin A found in sweet potatoes can help improve vision and prevent age-related eye diseases such as macular degeneration. Improve skin health. The vitamin C in sweet potatoes can help improve collagen production and keep skin looking youthful and radiant. Weight management. Sweet potatoes are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a filling and satisfying option for those trying to manage their weight. Versatile in use. Sweet potatoes can be prepared in a variety of ways, including baked, roasted, mashed, or turned into fries. They can be added to a wide range of dishes, from soups and stews to breakfast hashes and casseroles. Sustainable food. Sweet potatoes are relatively easy to grow and are a sustainable food source that can be grown in a variety of climates. Overall, sweet potatoes are a nutritious and delicious addition to any diet. They offer a wide range of health benefits and can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a few sweet potatoes. Every person is different. Be sure to consult with a healthcare provider about your circumstances if you have any questions or symptoms about eating sweet potatoes. Thanks for watching. We upload frequent new video related to your common health, pregnancy and motherhood related questions, and if you're new on our channel then don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.